let's start with pronouns today. All right. Let's start with this. So, what is pronoun? Okay, very, very important aspect in grammar. We should know which pronoun to use where. All right. So, here, a word used in place of a noun is called a pronoun. Okay, a word used in place of a noun. So, any word that replaces the noun is called as a pronoun. Harish is absent because Harish is ill. Example. Okay. As the name or noun Harish is repeated twice in the same sentence, we would replace it with a pronoun he, because Harish is a boy. So what happens is, if we learn pronoun properly, we avoid repeating the nouns again and again. We can change that, we can replace the noun with a proper pronoun. Okay, that is the reason we need to learn pronoun very well. Harish is absent because he is ill. Now see the sentence here. Harish is absent because Harish is ill. Harish is absent because he is ill. So I've changed the word Harish with he. First I wrote Harish because I need to introduce the character. The first time I have to use the noun. Once I know who is the character, who is the subject, then I can replace it with the pronoun. Okay, so now let's see the types of pronoun. Personal pronoun. Okay, so types of pronoun is what? Personal pronoun. First one, I, you, we, they, he, she, it are all called personal pronouns because they stand for three persons. Okay, they are called personal pronoun because they stand for three persons. That is the person speaking, I and we. Okay, I and we are always the people speaking. Second, the person spoken to or the person listening. So you. Now I am the first person, you are the second person. Third person, the person spoken of. Now you and I, first person, second person, your son. We are talking about him. So your son will be the third person. We are talking about your wife and your son. So they will be the third person. Okay, that's why I see he, she, it, they. Alright, so I and we, personal pronoun of the first person, denotes the person or persons speaking. So here it is, whoever is speaking. I am speaking, so I am the first person. Now there is somebody else also with me. So we both are speaking. So we. You denotes the person or persons spoken to. जिससे बात कर रहे हैं. So you. And you is used for plural and singular. Both it is you only. For it is one person also. You are sitting in front of me. One. I'll tell you a you. Now your son is also sitting. Wife is also sitting. There are many people sitting there. Again you. So singular, plural, both are you. Okay. Then third person. What is the third person? He, she, it, they. What does it show? Personal pronoun of the third person denotes the persons or person or thing being spoken of. So about who are we speaking? So again, as I said, he, she, it. So he is for your son. She may be for your wife. I'll ask, where's your wife? She's in the kitchen. She. Where's your son? He's in the study room. I'll ask, where's your wife and son? They are outside. They. So more than one person about whom we are speaking, always they. One, boy, girl, he and she. Animals, where we cannot determine the gender, it. Things, it. City, it. Place, it. Everything, it. Okay. So this is the personal pronoun. Let's see. Okay. Now personal pronoun is divided into three types. Okay, and the most commonly used pronoun. So understand it very, very well. Okay, subjective pronoun. These pronouns are used as the subject in a sentence. So it will always come in the first. When the sentence starts, it will come there. These pronouns are used as a subject in a sentence, hence called a subjective pronoun. She will be cleaning your room tomorrow. She. I was tired. I is a subject. She is a subject. Okay. Next one is objective pronoun. Now, what is objective pronoun? These pronouns are used when the pronoun acts as a direct object, an indirect object, or an object of the preposition. That means it can be a direct object, or with the help of preposition we say it. Okay. Mostly this always comes towards the end of the sentence or in the middle of the sentence. End or the middle. Okay. See, dad spoke to her. Dad spoke to her. Object of the preposition. Preposition. To is a preposition. I used the preposition and then I used her. Rita told them about the accident. Now, them is an objective pronoun. It came in the middle. Same sentence I can say like this also. Rita told about the accident to them. It came in the end. Okay, so it came in the end. So there are two ways to say it. So it generally objective pronouns either come in the middle or come in the end. Next, I saw it coming towards me. So did you see this? I saw it coming towards me. It is also I saw it. It is a direct object. See, it's a direct object. I saw it. So it is also is an objective pronoun towards me. Towards, object of the preposition. I use preposition. Towards me. Mere taraf. So here it is also an objective pronoun. Me is also an objective pronoun. Okay. The third one is possessive pronoun. These pronouns are used to show ownership. Okay, these pronouns are used to show ownership. This is her book or this book is hers. Okay, this is her book or this book is hers. So there are two ways to say this. You are my friend. Ram is his brother. This is my pen. This pen is mine. Okay, here I have just given an example. I was actually explaining to some other student that day. So see this. The elephant is in pain. So now you understand the difference between it and its, right? This it is, it is. It is. And the other one is its, its, uska. Okay, so there is difference. Like possessive pronoun mein, this is her book, uska book. It shows what ownership, kiska hai, kisko belong karta hai. This book is hers. So her is also the possessive. Hers is also the possessive pronoun. You can use whichever you want. You are my friend. You are my friend. My is a possessive pronoun. Ram is his brother. His brother. Uska bhai hai wo. This is my pen. This pen is mine. Okay. Most probably this mine, yours, hers, ours, theirs. ये सब तब आता है जब हम लोग चीजों को यूज करते हैं. With this, that, these, those. सी यही सेंटेंस को यू आर माई फ्रेंड उसको मैं ऐसे नहीं बना सकती हूँ. माइन लगा के नहीं बना सकती हूँ. आई कैन नेवर से यू आर माइन फ्रेंड. नो, यू आर माई फ्रेंड. Okay, and if you want to put this, na, the hers, mines, yours, ours, theirs, it should always come in the end. Compulsory. It cannot come in the middle of the sentence. Alright, so see this. Subjective. Subjective, I, you, we, I, you, he, she, it, we, they. Objective, me, you, him, her, it, us, them. I का मी होगा, you का you ही रहेगा, no change. He का him होगा, she will become her, it will remain it. We will become us, they will become them. What will the possessive? I, my, mine. You, your, yours. He, his. She, her, hers. It, its. We, our, ours. They, their, theirs. All right. So this we need to understand. And then so this is what is all about personal pronoun. Personal pronoun is divided into three. Subjective pronoun, I, you, we, they, he, she, it. Objective pronoun, me, you, him, her, it, us, them. And possessive pronoun, my, mine, your, yours, his, her, hers, its, our, ours, their, theirs. Okay, so this one type is called as personal pronoun, the most commonly used, the most important. Fine. So we will meet tomorrow. I'll send you. Kal bhi Sulekha se we can log in like this, 1:30.
Okay.
Okay. So see you tomorrow.
Bye.
You can do this homework and we'll meet. Okay. Thank you.